Hey everyone, in this video, I'll walk you guys through how to use the new Instagram Threads app. And if you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing and leaving a like. So I'll just point you guys' attention to the bottom bar here. So there are 5 icons. There is your home icon, a search icon, create a thread icon, activity icon, and then your profile icon. So I'll walk you guys through each one of those. So as you can see, I'm on the homepage icon right now, which is the leftmost icon. And here basically you'll see everyone you follow, their threads, and it's much like Twitter. So let's move on to the next one, which is just search. So here you can search anything and it'll also add some follow suggestions. So you can follow additional creators based on what Instagram suggests you. And then here in the middle, this is the create a thread icon. So here you can actually start a thread. And you can just type anything you want here, just like Twitter. And as you can see right there, there is a clip icon which you can use to attach images from your gallery. Make sure to allow access to that. I haven't allowed access yet for the video. And let's say you do create a thread. So let's just type in hello. And then let's add a wave there and then click on post. Alright, now your thread has been posted and you can just click on the view right there that popped up if you want to go view it immediately, or you can go to the rightmost icon, which is your profile icon, click on it, and as you can see, your threads pop up here. So there is threads on the left side and then the replies on the right side. So if you reply to any threads, it will actually show up right here. And from here, there are 4 more icons you have to remember. There is the like icon, there is the comment icon where you can reply to your threads, and then there is a repost icon, so you can repost your threads or you can quote it in a new thread. Next is the share button. From the share button, you can add it to your Instagram story, post to your Instagram feed, copy the link, or share via other apps right here, which will pop up like that. Next, let's discuss the activity one. From here, you can see the replies and mentions and stuff like that. And if you're a verified user, you can also see your verification status notifications right here. And now we're back in the profile tab. Now let's discuss the icons on the top here. So on the left, you can see a little globe icon. It's actually the privacy icon. So if you click that, you can set your profile to be private. You can manage your mention settings, your muted settings. You can also find here the hidden words that you want to apply. So if you want, you can turn that off and you can just make custom words. So if you want to hide certain words from your feed, you can do that here. You can also see the profiles you follow down here. You can see your followers, following, and the pending followers/followings. So here you can also see other privacy settings that will take you to the Instagram app directly, as it affects both Threads app and the Instagram app directly. And down here you can see the blocked, which will also go to your Instagram account directly. Because if you block accounts on Instagram, they're also probably blocked on Threads because they link together. And next is hide likes. You can just hide your likes from your post. This is also universal across Thread and Instagram. Next is the Instagram icon on the top right. This will just quickly switch you back to your Instagram. So let's go back to Threads. And then here on the top right, you see the 2 horizontal lines. That is your other settings. So here you can follow and invite friends. There's some options here. You can invite friends by other options by clicking invite friends by ... And you can invite your friends through Facebook, copying the link, nearby share, stuff like that. You can also invite by SMS, email, and directly follow accounts from Instagram. So if you just click that, you will now follow the same accounts you follow on Instagram, but you'll also get that pop up when you first sign up for Threads. Next is the notifications here. You can pause all notifications, and you can also customize from which sources those notifications are paused from, and then also here on followers and followings. And next is your privacy here. This is basically the same as the other one. I don't know why Threads made it a different icon though. Next is the account. So from here you can also take a break, deactivate your profile, and you can do other account settings which also affects Instagram and Threads. Next is personal information, blah blah blah, stuff like that. That is also linked to Instagram. Next is the language tab. So here, of course, you can change your language depending on where you're from. And the other usual stuff from Instagram, which is the help and about button, you can also log out from here. Alright, aside from that, some other things you can do is just share your profile directly from your profile icon homepage here. So just click on share profile, and you can also edit your profile right here. You can edit your name, bio, link, and make it a private profile. Alright, so that's basically it for the tour of the new Threads app. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to watch all the upcoming videos, and goodbye.